So, tell me what you think of Van Fest at this point.
Groovy, man.
But these are award-winning and some of the best chocolate bars you'll ever see. So the first one all the way on the left is going to be your sweetest one. All the way on the right is going to be your darkest one.
No phone, no pool, no bets. I ain't got no internet. It's Chip and Dale, great sensational corporation. They are Chip and Dale. Let's hear it for our folks. Chip and Dale are here.
Because of racial discrimination in France, Joseph Laroche and family decided to emigrate to his native home of Haiti. On the night of the sinking, he ensured his wife and daughters were placed into a lifeboat and promised to see them in New York, but that was not to be. These are the musicians of the Titanic, who played on even as it was sinking. One person of note is this gentleman, a violinist, known as Jock Hume.
Little did I know that when I pulled this door shut, that lovely breeze would destroy our door, and now we need a new privacy curtain, which I am going to engineer myself. So, a handy dandy little seam here. So we've completed the handy dandy buttonholes. So handy dandy pockets to the hem.
I fully expected to have to turn on the heat in the van, and was prepared to do so. But the more I reviewed the waggle temps, the more I realized there was no need. The temperatures in the van stayed warmer than the surrounding outside temperatures. The highest expense was fuel, at 21%. But that's to be expected. You can't travel unless you have fuel, and the whole point is to travel. The next biggest expense was restaurants at 17%, which I didn't expect, but knowing us, maybe I should have. Again, you can see the water heater in the rear of the van. You'll also see the towel inside because of the leak, which I think is coming from the faucet connection. Hopefully this won't be a major repair. It's important to remember, things will go wrong when you're traveling in an RV. The tire didn't blow while we were driving, so we didn't get in a bad accident. We were able to find a Firestone open on a Sunday. That Firestone had an appointment available, and they were able to get us in promptly. The only issue was a delay of a day of our travels, and that's something we'll take any day over what could have happened. They had to call every competitor they knew and finally found Continental 4-season tires that would work. I got there in the early afternoon, and they broke speed records to make sure those tires were on our van and ready to go, so kudos to EB Ford for that.
Drink your beers, go ahead.
All right, cheers.
There we go, yay! Hello, Dwayne and Deborah.
You let us walk through your SL at Peace, Love, and Van, not this year, but last year.
Last year when it was pouring
It's all
rain.
wet
Yeah.
and muddy.
Yeah.
And so we tracked mud into your
Well,
van.
amazingly
thank you.
so, our van is always wet and muddy.
No,
It's strange.
He went in. I was on the outside.
That's
But now
right.
we have our own.
Oh, an SL or
Yeah, we have an SL.
intelligent? It's the
Right.
best one to get, obviously.
So good.
Only the smart people get the SL.
We're on this long road in the middle of nowhere, and tourists come by here and they see that cold beer sign and they think, how can this place be here in the middle of nowhere? And then they're shocked when there's so many people here.
I enjoy the life that we have, and you know, all the guys that are standing in here are part of our lives.
So how long you been here?
4.5 years.
4.5 years brewing.
Yeah.
Had them all.
How many automotive engineers does it take to change a light bulb?
Oh.
20. Union.
Hey, we're in a union. Yeah.
Just think about it. She's got a these are rotating exhibits. How do they transport that so they don't mess up the wavy lines? We are in Metropolis, Illinois, home of Superman. And we are in the Superman Museum.
What's been your favorite part?
End of the week.
Meeting the people and seeing the vans.
What's been your favorite part?
Just being with you.
Being with me. Well, that's the proper answer.
My favorite part, the apple pie.
Apple pie. Well, apple pie. One more thing, yeah.
After you're done watching this video on Roads of Life, if you want to see a real YouTube channel, go to a Mohr van. Just kidding. It's a wonderful channel, Roads of Life.
No.